Mbote, greetings. We are the 5th and 6th grade chorus. We're going to begin with a 3-part canon titled Banaha. It is a Congolese folk song.
Banaha is a traditional folk song for the Katanga region of Congo in Africa. It is sung by the Kalubia language. It is popular in choral education because of its joyful tone and accessible structure. Although the lyrics are largely abstract, it is interpreted as the fruit of the pineapple tree. Yaku ladles a banana into his aunt's red hat.
Si dolada, yaku sinele du banaha. Si dolada.